What's going on, guys? So today we're trying some meat, doing a Carnivore Club. It's been, let's go this way. It's been a minute since I at least talked about this on camera. Never stopped. I post on Instagram, by the way. Water World, nice. So if you haven't seen this, Carnivore Club, they do a monthly meat experience, if you will. They have big, like, charcuterie type stuff you can get, you know, different larger packages, but I dig the snack box. So they're just snacks, usually meat sticks and some kind of jerky, which I'm always a fan of. So this month, let's see what we got here. Brisket jerky. I love brisket, and that actually feels pretty soft through the package. So J&K, just kidding beef jerky. Made in USA, solid strips, excuse me, of brisket. Interesting. All right, we'll try that. Haven't had this brand. Haven't had, like, sometimes because I've done it for a while, it'll rotate and I'll see the same stuff, which is nice because some of the stuff is really, really good. Haven't seen this brand before. Uncle Irvin's. So we have lemon pepper. This feels like, in the middle. Actually feels pretty hard. Let's see. So this is coming out of El Campo, Texas. Where's this coming from? Coming from Hamilton Beach. Oh no, Huntington Beach, California. California, Texas. Lemon pepper, Bohemian garlic. That sounds wonderful. And Texas heat. That's all me. Then this month, so we have 4 bags of jerky and 1 meat stick. What is it? Oh, so J&K as well. So here's their original meat stick, made with real wood smoke. Interesting. Okay. So what are we gonna try first? Let's try this brisket. Super curious about this. All right. So of course the sniff. Ah, yes, smells like beef jerky. All right. So consistency. I see the bag. This is 2.12 ounces or 60 grams of meat. So we got a soft, rubbery type consistency here. Let's give it a go. And I'm just going to, you know, probably edit out some of the chewing since it is a lot of beef jerky. So here we go. All right. Well, I dig that. It's very good. It is, it's soft. It's chewy, but not like, when you say something's chewy, it sounds like it's rubbery and like takes a lot to chew. But I don't mean that. It's actually a really, really good consistency. I'm all over the place with beef jerky. I can have something that is like shoe leather that's so hard, and you're just kind of chewing on it for a while, trying to moisten it up a little bit. And then I can go the opposite, where it almost tastes like a fresh piece of steak or something. This is somewhere in the middle. It's not dry, it's not moist, but you saw with that flex on there. It's just a really good consistency. If you like that sort of beef jerky, some people definitely prefer it drier. But the flavor is really good. There's a little bit of sweetness in there. General spices, maybe. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of paprika or something in there. But it's good. It's a good cut of meat. And that makes a difference, obviously, in the end product there. Alright, let's try this meat stick since it's on top here. Alright, so nothing really special, just from this company. Let's go ahead and give it a cut. Alright. Give it a smell. Ah, it smells really good. It smells like smoked wood. Like, it really does. Like, I'm not just saying that because it says it has real smoke. Like, it smells like it's been in a smoker. All right, so let's see if I can show you again the consistency here. It's not super dry or anything. So bottoms up. All right, well, it's good. It's just kind of generically good. It has a nice snap. So like the casing seems like it's a natural casing. The inside, it's a good consistency. It's not super dry. It's kind of moist. Again, you know, you can pause here and see these spices. Let me zoom in. But I can't just pick one out of there. You can see this long list of stuff. I see the sugar on there. It is a little bit on the sweet side, which people might like or not like. It is a pork beef blend. But yeah, interesting though. It's pretty good. So, you know, I can conclude that I do like the beef jerky and snack stuff from this particular company, which is nice. So let's try Uncle Irvin's. What do I try first? I want to try all of them. It's good to just pick one of these, but I think we're going to take a little bite of each. All right, we're going to start here with the Bohemian garlic. All right. So this is a 3-ounce bag. You don't need that much. You can see the bigger, kind of thicker chunks of meat. Let's try just a little piece here. Alright, bottoms up, cheers. Alright, so that one's really good. It's interesting, I would, assume garlic meant, very garlicky. It's actually really, really subtle on the garlic, and there's tons of black pepper. So, like, if you didn't tell me what this was, and if I guessed it, I would say that it's black pepper with a hint of garlic, which is interesting. I don't know what the Bohemian part of it is, but yeah, I mean, tons of black pepper. Let's see. Beef water, sugar, natural flavorings, brown sugar, beef stock, vinegar, salt, sodium, citrate, whatever, monosodium, glutamate, soy sauce powder, wheat, soybeans, salt, oh, that's what the soy sauce powder is, and maltodextrin, and sodium nitrate. Yeah, I mean, the spices could be anything, right? But it is very black pepper forward and subtle on the garlic, which is interesting. So that means I know this is going to be super peppery. This one actually says there's pepper in there. But we're going to try it anyway, and we're in with the heat. We'll see how hot that is. Alright, so same size bag, different flavor. And by the way, it is drier. Like, it seems like it's kind of rubbery, but as I'm doing that, it's not flexing, it's actually breaking. And these are thicker little chunks. And here you can see some pepper seeds on that one. So it is like it takes more to chew. So anyway, cheers. Alright, that one definitely took longer to chew. Maybe it's just the individual piece, but it's drier than the garlic. I like it. I think it's good. But it really should be called pepper. I don't really taste any of the lemon, unfortunately. I love black pepper, though, especially in beef jerky. So I don't mind it. It's actually spicy. Like, there's so much black pepper, you have black pepper spice. Like if you have fresh cracked pepper. So, if you're not into that, you wouldn't like that one. But yeah, interesting. Alright, so we're going to end with this guy. And we're going to see how much heat. Those things say they're hot. You never really know what that means. So I'm just looking here to see natural flavorings. So it doesn't show there's any like peppers or anything in there. So who knows? Maybe they just use some kind of extract for a large batch. Excuse me. Or maybe they use it in the spices. All right, we're going with a big old chunk. This one seems not as dry, although it is red in there. So that smells delicious. Oh man, that smells like if you've ever had Phoenix and Dragon at like a Chinese restaurant before, which I only discovered like, I don't know, a year ago, 2 years ago. Because when I eat out, like, especially Chinese food, I always get the same thing all the time. But I love trying different things, and I just randomly tried Phoenix and Dragon, and now I found a couple places that sell it. Essentially, it's Phoenix and Dragon's kind of like a spin on like surf and turf, but instead of surf and turf, it's chicken and seafood. So more times than not, it's like a General Tao's type chicken with a different sauce and some kind of shrimp dish, but you get the combo there. But this smells like that chicken, that sauce. Oh, it smells so good. All right, I have a lot of interest and hope that this is as delicious as it smells. But we'll see how much that heat is as well. So I'll be right back. Cheers. All right. Whew. I'm lit up. That actually has some kick to it. That's got like a, geez, I want to say like a fresh, like a really, really fresh red jalapeno for heat, which is hotter than you think if you've never had one. A fully ripened jalapeno, because it's not, I don't think it's as hot as like eating like a habanero. However, it does have habanero flavor. Like, you really, really taste fresh peppers in there, which is awesome. Now, I'm not sure again if they're using extracts or maybe they're using some kind of a powder, form of a dried pepper, but boy, does that taste like peppers. So if you like the flavor, if you're a chili head, not just for the heat, but you like the flavor of different chilies and peppers, that one's for you. But it does pack a punch. It's definitely not for the people who don't like spice. So my wife Christina will not be having this because she is not a fan of spice. In fact, God, I don't know, you hear my mouth just got, it's like I took a sip of something because I'm salivating so much from this, the heat. Yeah, like even the pepper and the lemon pepper might be too spicy for her. So anyway, that's this month's Carnivore Club. Overall, awesome. Got exposed to new brands I haven't had before. Everything was really good. The consistency here is the same as the garlic as far as like the moisture level, I guess, or the dryness of the meat. My favorite thing, I mean, I dig this for sure, but I think the brisket was just awesome. It's just, I don't know, consistency is perfect for me. And this looks like little strips of bacon here. So I'm going back for a piece of that. Let's get a close-up on that right there. You can see a little bit of fat vein in there. Just really good quality jerky. So I dig it. Carnivore Club. Let me know if you guys have tried it before in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.